Hey, hello, hello. We are leaving Gili Air right now, and rather than take the slow boat, which would have been 40,000, we opted for fast boat. With the help of our receptionist, the reception at this Gili Air Lagoon Resort, they arranged a pickup for us, and it's a fast boat, but it's a little bit different. It cost us roughly 300,000, so 150 each. It's a little bit different, and I want to show you this because, whew, it all depends on how fast he's gonna be going. But let's just say it's a little bit sketchy. Hope that's not the boat. Oh shit, it is the boat. All right, check this out. Okay, so rather than getting picked up from the harbor, we are getting picked up from just feet. Just right outside of our resort. This green boat here, it's a boat that we hired, not this one. This one. Granted, we had no idea, but I'm excited. I'm excited. This is what we're going to get on. They're going to take us. The captain, is going to take us to. That's Lombok. Going to take us over there somewhere. There, that island that you really can't see. To Gili T. We're going to be there for a few days, so oh my god, I'm going to do my best and try to record this journey, this trip. Let's see what happens. Wow, like, oh my gosh. All right, please record me coming on in if the lighting is good. Hey. Yeah. I've never been on a boat like this before.
What?
This is the first. No,
you gotta come to my family vacation.
Yeah, provided. Yeah, I will. I've actually never. This is the first for me. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be epic. I can't wait. Okay. Oh, wait.
You can put on a life jacket if your butt's hot.
Oh.
Have you ever driven one before?
Baby, I've never been on a boat like this, therefore I've never driven.
Yeah, I've done that too. Hey,
Okay.
you got a flower in your beard.
I do? Cause oh my god. Now this is worth the 150. But I don't know. Did I take my bag off?
I did so it didn't get wet.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, okay. I got wet. Oh, shoot! Oh! Fuck! Nah, that's how we roll. Oh my God. Okay. 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 We're home for the next few days. Wait. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Almost forgot my shoe. Terima kasih. Oh my goodness. If you're on Gili Air like us and you decide to go to Gili T, that is the kind of boat that you need to take for 150, a two-person 300,000. What? It took us maybe 20 minutes? Maybe 15 to 20 minutes to go from Gili Air to Gili T. What an experience. That was wild. That was wild. Oh my God, we literally just arrived right there. Oh, it is blue. Look how blue this. Oh, wow.
That's like a deeper blue than over there.
We're here being Gili T. We'll be here for a few days. Not sure how long we're going to stay, but
This dude wants to go back Canggu. Man, I'm good
not
over
necessarily
here.
don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments. Peace, one love, Gili T speedboat. Fast boat. It's called a fast boat. It's called a fast. Love y'all. Mwah.